On the PH&LF layout ran various passenger trains, including this turbo train. The UAC turbo train was an early high-speed, gas turbine train manufactured by United Aircraft that operated in Canada between 1968 and 1982 and in the United States between 1968 and 1976. A German ICE, Intercity Express, train toured the USA in 1993 as part of a high-speed rail demonstration organized by Siemens and AEG. The train, featuring powered units 400-1084-9 and 401-584-8, toured over 20,000 miles, visiting 25 cities, and operating in revenue service between New York and Washington, D.C.
Wat gaan we doen?
The Bud Rail Diesel Car, RDC, is a self-propelled diesel multiple unit, DMU, railcar. Three 98 RDCs were built between 1949 and 1962 by the Budd Company of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, United States.
Wacht hier, ik laat even foto's zien. Dat is zeg maar deze ruimte. Die. En dat is dan zeg maar leeg, helemaal leeg. En dan heb ik
The RDC makes a stop at Tim Ford Junction.
We hope you enjoyed this JCS Keystone production. Please check YouTube for more great productions of JCS Keystone.